Search for Suptask from the Slack app marketplace and press the Install button. Click Add to Slack in order to add Suptask to your workspace. Press on Add to Slack in the upper right corner of the website. Now press on Install Suptask in order to proceed the installation. Make sure you have admin rights to install apps in your Slack workspace. Sign in with your Slack account to begin the installation. Confirm that you have selected the correct Slack workspace. Press Allow to authorize and proceed. Press on Install Now to start the setup wizard of Suptask. For security reasons, we ask you to authorize again in order to proceed with the installation. The automatic installation wizard will guide you through the setup. The wizard will set up your first Suptask inbox. In this example, we use the People Ops team. Select your use case or type a name in the text field. Suptask supports a number of methods to submit tickets in Slack, NCL channels, private, email, web forms, API, etc. For this use case with the People Ops team, we will use the private ticket submission. You can add additional or change this later. Optionally, you can select to invite your colleagues to join as agents in your new inbox, or you can invite them later. Your inbox is now ready and you can submit tickets with the example form that has been created. We recommend you to follow the onboarding guide in order to get familiar with inboxes, forms, and fields. Delegate the Suptask setup by adding another admin to your account. This can be done from the Users and Permissions page. Ask the second admin to visit the Suptask web app. After the login, their user will appear in this list where they can be promoted to admin. In your Slack workspace, Suptask will now appear as a new app in the left side menu, or search for Suptask to open it. Press on Create a new ticket to try one of several ticket creation methods. Submitting a ticket will use the example form created from the Setup wizard. Add additional forms and customize the fields from the Suptask web app.